This is the Door County Library Virtual Storytime Craft Program. Okay, so I have a thing. I know it's after Easter, but I'm going to show you how to make my little bunnies. I have lots of little bunnies here. Now, you need a square piece of paper, but as you can see, you can use newsprint to make a bunny. You can use regular old paper that you have around the house to use a bunny. You can even use a paper towel. And in the paper towel, what I did was I took a marker and I just found all the little dots that are all over there, and I colored in the dots. So you can do that. Is a fun thing just to sit and do too. If you're missing coloring sheets, that's a fun thing to do too. But today I'm going to show you how to make one of these bunnies using a square piece of paper. Now, if you have just a regular old sheet of paper, which is what this was originally, the first problem is it has to be a square. Now, the easiest way to make a rectangle into a square is to fold it over, and then you have an extra piece about that big, and you just cut that off. That's what I did for all of these. I just cut off the extra. And that's nice because then you've already done the very first step of making your bunny. So the next thing you do is you fold it in this direction. So you're folding it in half like a triangle, in one way, and you open it up, and the other way, and then you open it up. Now, okay, so you've got that. Now you flip it over, and now you fold it like this. So you make a rectangle like that. And you open it up, and you do the same thing again. You make a rectangle. So, and then you open this up, okay? And this is really cute. So you push in through the center, and it lifts it up in the middle. So now you've got it, it's kind of lifted up, and you can push these corners in until you make a triangle. Okay, so now here's your triangle. Flat and flat, and it's got the wibbly bits on both sides. Okay, lay it down like this. You're going to take one of these little pieces and you're going to fold it up just like that. Okay, that piece to there. Same thing on both sides. It's very, very easy that way because you do the same thing twice in every step. Okay, so now you got the two pieces and they're like this. You take this corner here, you put it in the center. So you fold it over just like that. Do the other side just like that. Okay, now there's a little pocket. Oh, you see the little pocket that's right in here? Right in there. You take this corner. Oh, this is tricky. Okay, this is probably the hardest part of the whole thing. This little corner here gets tucked into the little pocket. Tucked into the little pocket right there. Okay, this one gets tucked into the little pocket. If you make your bunny much smaller than this, that part gets really hard to do. Okay, that side's all done. Now, we're going to flip it over, and we're starting again. This one, here's a tricky one. This edge here is going to go into the center. So you fold it over like that. And now it's at the center. Then you do the same thing. Fold it over. Okay, now, there's we are. All right, now you take this top piece, okay, hang on to the bottom, take this top piece, fold it over, and make a triangle out of this. See the triangle there? Triangle like this. Do the same thing on both sides. So now you've taken these pieces and you folded them over so that you got a flat piece here and two triangles. Now, you take this corner and put it here. You fold this whole thing over. Oh, there you go. All right, and then you do it the same way on both sides. All right, and that is your bunny. We have one more thing we have to do. There's a hole in the nose of the bunny. So, ha! You blow it up and there is your little bunny. So you can make any size you want, big bunnies, little bunnies, tiny itty bitty bunnies. The tiny itty bitty bunnies are really hard to do, but you can put bunnies all over your house. Happy spring. Enjoy yourselves.